it has rained over 228 millimeters in a matter of 24 hours in the Safdarjung area, and even in adjoining areas it has been raining heavily. Well, according to the Met Office, very heavy showers are expected over the next 48 hours. So the worst is not over just yet. Orange alert category warning has been sounded off by the Met Office. Roads have turned into rivers, and when we are seeing the streets, they've turned into streams, and this is on account of very heavy rainfall that Delhi certainly is not equipped for. Let's just get you a sense of how bad it's been on the road in terms of traffic jams that have been witnessed. Many cars were submerged, many cars were stuck this morning. Has it gotten any better? Let's go across to my colleague Vedant, who's joining us. Vedant, what's the situation on the ground? I mean, visuals on our screen showing the kind of jams that have been created due to the kind of rainfall that resulted in inundation and several cars that were submerged in water. I mean, it was very difficult to come to work early this morning. I shudder to think what's the situation like at the moment.
And these different reminiscent of the time.
Do remember, every time it rains for even 5 minutes, Delhi comes to a standstill, and here you can see that Delhi has come to a grinding halt, and this is on account of how Delhi drowned this morning due to the rainfall that was received, which was enormous in nature, perhaps the heaviest we've seen for years and years. The last time it rained heavily so was back in 19. The kind of rainfall that we've seen is to the tune of 228 millimeters in the Safdarjung area as well. So this is the highest rainfall that we've seen over many years. The highest it rained before this was in 1936, when it rained 235.5 millimeters in a span of 24 hours. From reports that are suggesting that water's entered homes, we've seen that the airport collapsed as far as the roof is concerned of Terminal 1. So Delhi not equipped for this monsoon season. From what we are seeing is this monsoon season is going to pan out to be filled with more such days, because that's what the IMD is suggesting, that the next 24 to 48 hours it looks like it's going to be raining heavily in the NCR region, adjoining areas, whether it's Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, parts of Rajasthan, parts of Uttar Pradesh. Very heavy showers are expected there. You can see people trying to wade through knee-deep water. A man actually, with water up to his chest there. Vedant, just take us through the situation on the ground. How bad is it, especially in terms of rescue operations for those who've perhaps been stuck since early this morning?
That's right, Dida. I come to you from the Lodi colony, which is of course a very posh locality here in South Delhi. I show the visuals here, reminiscent of the kind of views that we saw last year. I remember covering those floods extensively last year in similar visuals. And if I can actually ask my camera person to show you, if I step, there's almost ankle deep water here as far as this particular locality in Lodi is concerned. And there you can see those visuals of how people making their way through this water. Water has started to recede, but remember, what we saw last year was Yamuna flowing above the danger level. This time around, of course, it's just one night's rain that caused this massive waterlogging across localities, across the national capital. And there you can see these, how people, commuters, of course, find it difficult to sort of make their way that national capital. We continue to show you these visuals of how this entire locality is completely inundated. You see those visuals there. This is, of course, the interior part of that locality. You can imagine the situation, the main roads, the connecting roads, the arterial roads of the national capital. Remember, as you guys pointed out, Delhi has received as much rain as it is supposed to, perhaps in a span of days. At this point, the category of very heavy rainfall, in fact, what suffers in suffers area. This is, of course, critical infrastructure under stress. Those are the kind of fears that are resurfacing. Look at how vehicles, in fact, are making their way through this new water.
Right.